Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Let's explore the 2001 Australian 20-cent coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. Is a circulating coin that blends tradition, commemorative themes, and national symbolism. This coin, like other decimal Australian coins, serves both as a tool for commerce and as a piece of national heritage. Australia transitioned from pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system on February 14, 1966. The 20-cent coin was introduced that year, replacing the florin, worth 2 shillings or 1/10 of a pound. The coin's reverse has traditionally depicted the platypus, an iconic Australian animal sculpted by Stuart Devlin, who was appointed goldsmith and jeweler to the Queen. 2001 was a significant year in Australian history. It marked the centenary of Federation, 100 years since the 6 British colonies united to form the Commonwealth of Australia in 1901. Series of commemorative coins were issued that year to celebrate the centenary, including unique designs across different denominations. However, the standard 20-cent coin for 2001 retained the traditional platypus design, with a minor mintage compared to other years. Portrait features Queen Elizabeth II facing right. Designer Ian Rank Broadley, initials IRB under the bust. Elizabeth II, Australia 2001. This portrait of the Queen was introduced in 1998 and remained in use until 2018. Design: a platypus swimming, surrounded by stylized water ripples. No changes were made to the reverse design for the 2001 standard circulation 20-cent coin. Australia is a vast and diverse continent country comprising 6 states and 2 territories. Coins circulate widely across urban and remote areas, and the 20-cent coin is commonly used for everyday transactions such as buying small goods, parking meters, or giving change. Major cities where these coins are actively used include Sydney, New South Wales, Melbourne, Victoria, Brisbane, Queensland, Perth, Western Australia, Adelaide, South Australia, Hobart, Tasmania, Darwin, Northern Territory, Canberra, Australian Capital Territory. Despite growing digital payments, coinage remains a legal tender and culturally important in Australia. Mintage, approx. 73.8 million coins circulating condition, used. Common uncirculated condition, available in mint and proof sets. This makes the 2001 20C coin not rare in circulated condition, but somewhat collectible in high grades or original mint packaging. In addition to the standard coin, 2001 also saw the release of special commemorative 20-cent coins as part of the Federation series, with 9 unique state and territory designs. These include New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, Tasmania, Northern Territory, Australian Capital Territory, Norfolk Island, special inclusion. These commemorative coins have distinct reverse designs and are sought after by collectors. Minted for collectors, not general circulation. Sold in mint sets by the Royal Australian Mint. Brilliant uncirculated finish, higher quality strike. Nowhere sold in proof sets. Polished dies, mirrored background. Considered the highest quality for collectors. 2001 proof and uncirculated sets were particularly popular due to the Federation centenary and the release of multiple special coin designs. Condition value: AUD note circulated 0.20, 0.50 face value or minor premium uncirculated, loose $1, 2 depending on grade, in mint set $10, $20 set. Set includes other denominations, proof coin 20 plus part of 2001 proof set. Highly polished values can vary based on condition, packaging, and demand. The 2001 Australian 20-cent coin is a snapshot of modern Australian history, economy, and numismatic art. While the regular issue remains a common circulation coin, its place in a year of rich commemorative activity gives it added historical significance. Whether found in pocket change or in a collector's album, this coin serves as a lasting tribute to Queen Elizabeth II's enduring reign. Australia's unique wildlife. The unity brought about by Federation in 1901, the platypus, featured on the reverse of the coin, is one of only 5 egg-laying mammals in the world, monotremes, and it is endemic to Australia. Its appearance on the coin reinforces Australia's commitment to celebrating its unique biodiversity. The next step, 1999. Australia 20-cent coin continues the standard issue of the decimal coinage system introduced in 1966. With Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the iconic platypus on the reverse, this coin represents a continuation of Australia's traditional numismatic identity during the final year of the 20th century. Unlike other significant years, e.g. 2001, 1999 was not a commemorative issue year for the 20-cent coin. However, it remains a relevant part of the historical and collectible timeline for Australian currency. Australia officially adopted decimal currency on 14th of February 1966, replacing the imperial system. The 20-cent coin replaced the florin, worth 2 shillings, and it maintained a similar size and silver-like appearance, though made from cupro-nickel. 99 was a politically notable year, featuring a national referendum on whether to become a republic. Though the referendum failed, it reflected ongoing national reflection on identity, heritage, and the monarchy. In coinage, however, no special 20-cent commemorative designs were issued to mark this event. Portrait. Queen Elizabeth II designer. Ian Rank Broadley. His portrait of the Queen was introduced in 1998, replacing the earlier design by Raphael Makhlouf, noted for its realism and aging features. Elizabeth II, Australia, 1999. Features. The Queen faces right. The designer's initials, IRB, appear under her bust. Design. A platypus swimming, creating stylized ripples around it. Designer. Stuart Devlin, goldsmith and official jeweler to the Queen. This iconic image has been used continuously since 1966. No. Commemorative design issued in 1999. Attribute detail denomination 20. Cents metal cupro-nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. Diameter 28.52 meter, thickness 2.E5 m, weight 11.30 grams. Edge milled shape round, total, minted for circulation, 67,100,000. These coins were minted by the Royal Australian Mint. Canberra. The 20-cent coin was, and still is, widely used in daily Australian transactions, used for small purchases, vending machines, parking meters, and general change. Found in all states and territories, from bustling cities like Sydney and Melbourne to rural towns and outback communities, coins circulated across mainland states: New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia Island states and territories, Tasmania, Northern Territory, ACT, particularly common in urban and suburban settings, though also used in remote indigenous communities and coastal regions. Uncirculated. Coins were minted specifically for collectors and not released into general circulation, often sold in rolls. Uncirculated mint sets or special folders. Higher strike quality with no wear. Proof coins were struck with polished dies and blanks, available in 1999. Proof set stock feature mirror-like surfaces and frosted designs. Struck at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. Condition estimated value, AUD. Note circulated 0.20, 0.40. Common in pocket change. Uncirculated $1. 3 premium for unmarked, bright coins proof, in set 15s. 30, depending on set condition and rarity. Higher value possible for coins graded MS66 or above by PCGS or NGC. No. Officially documented major mint errors are associated with the 1999 20-cent coin. However, collectors occasionally find off-center strikes cuds, die chips, double strikes, or partial collar errors. Such minting anomalies may raise the coin's value significantly depending on visibility and demand. Year mintage notes, 1999863.6 million first. Year with Ian Rank Broadley portrait, 9967.1 million. No commemoratives. Standard platypus 2046.6 million, slightly lower mintage. No commemorative 2001 73.8 million. Federation commemoratives issued. The 1999 Australian 20-cent coin serves as a steady and reliable entry in the country's numismatic legacy. Although not a commemorative issue or low mintage rarity, it holds value as part of the broader decimal series, a representation of Queen Elizabeth II's modern portrait era, an affordable collector's item, especially in uncirculated or proof condition. The platypus is one of only 5 monotremes, egg-laying mammals, in the world. The Queen's effigy, used in 1999, was designed by a British artist but approved for exclusive use by the Australian Mint. The coin's size and weight are among the largest in Australian